Merry Christmas! I'm Masterchef Tim and you're watching Masterchef Tim. Today on Masterchef Tim, I'm going to be showing you how to make an essential Christmas dish. Not only is it the longest lasting food on the planet, it's also probably the densest and most hated food. But if you know how to cook it properly, it can be delicious. So what I'm talking about is obviously a fruit cake. So the first thing you're going to need to make a fruit cake is cake mix. Now you're going to need 1 cup of cake mix. So we're just going to open that up there. Dump that in. Make sure it's nice and even on top. And put that in there. Okay, so now there's a variety of different fruits you can use for your cake mix. First one I like to put in there is 1 cup, or 1 glass I guess I should say, of dried papayas. You can dry these in the same way that you do bananas, and I showed you that in my previous video, so we're going to put those in there. I also decided I'm going to put an apple pear in there. See, I could not afford both an apple and a pear because I am not a wealthier member of society. So I just decided to get both at once. So we'll use that. 1 jar of grapes is about right. So we'll put that in there. Then I also like to use 1 pomelo, 1 mug of dates. Now you can easily find those on Tinder. I jest. The producer told me I should try using some humor for once. So we did that. And then you're also going to want a pineapple. So for the pineapple, you need to do a bit more prep before you put that in your fruit cake. So what you do here is you take a saw and you cut off the top here. And then I like to use about 1.5 pounds of pineapple. So we're just going to go ahead. We're going to measure that out. Yeah, that's good. So put that in there. And then another one I like is a mango. Mangoes are very good. See, they have this nub in here, and you need to cut that off before you put that in. So we take that off. And then I like to measure out, about 3 inches of mango. So 3 inches is about there. So we're just gonna cut that off. Need a sharper saw. You can use a chainsaw. So yeah, there we go. Well, that's good enough. We'll put that in there. And then of course the last and most important fruit in any fruit cake, almost forgot there, is of course your tomatoes. So we're going to stick that in there, and then we're just going to kind of whisk that up a bit. Then finally you stick it in your oven. So we're just going to come around here, stick it in the oven. Now for cooking a fruit cake, you want to cook it at about 600 degrees Celsius. For you scientists out there, that's about 873 degrees Kelvin. And if you're an American, I don't need to tell you because you already know everything anyway. So we'll get that started and we'll come show you when it's done. Alright, we've had her in there for a few hours, so we're ready to take out our fruit cake and give it a try. Always careful to pull it out. Oh, jeez. Alright. Let's take a look. Turned out pretty good. Just open her up. And give her a try. The gift that baby Jesus wishes he got from the wise men. Have a Merry Christmas. This is a fruit cake I'm Master Chef Tim, and you're welcome.